In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add improved MACD in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market you like, such as stocks, Forex, or crypto. Once your chart is on the screen, we're going to add the improved MACD indicator so you can start using it in your analysis. Look toward the top of your TradingView chart for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on the search box to activate it. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator you want. In our case, we're looking for improved MACD. Start typing improved MACD into that search field. As you type, TradingView will narrow down the list of available indicators. Once you see improved MACD appear in the search results, look for the version that you prefer. Most of the time, you'll see community scripts or a specific script that has the exact name. When you found it, simply click on it. TradingView will automatically add the indicator to the bottom of your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. Give it a moment to load. You should now see the improved MACD lines and histogram displayed clearly. From here, you can customize it if you want. Hover over the name of the indicator on the left side of the panel and click on the settings icon. This will allow you to adjust things like colors, line thickness, and sometimes the MACD parameters themselves, depending on how the script was built. Take a minute to set it up so it's easy on your eyes and matches the rest of your chart style. If you're using or planning to use TradingView Pro, remember that there is an affiliate link in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and often gives you access to the full Pro features that make working with indicators like improved MACD much smoother, especially if you like to run multiple indicators or charts at once. Once everything looks good, you're all set. You've successfully added the improved MACD in TradingView Pro and can start incorporating it into your trading strategy.